Wathi mweru wa anene a borithi thiini wa icigo inyanya cia bururi ni marikitie gukorwo magikinya ceceni-ini ciao na aria mararugamirire gucoka giikaro-ini kinene gia borithi guku Nairobi kuria megukorwo makiruta mawira mangi ruhonge-ini ruru. Kuringana na ndumiriri ya Boinnet, mogaruruku maya matanyitwo kugacirithia ugitiri icigo-ini ciothe cia bururi. Maobitha aria moete matamu icigo-ini ici ni hamwe na Malkas Ochola mwena wa Coast, Eunice Kihiko Eastern, Judy Jebet Lamet mwena wa Central, Philip Dolo Duda Nairobi, Edward Mwaburi Rift Valley, Paul K. Soi North Eastern, Vincent Makoha Nyanza na Rashid Yakub mwena wa Western.
Additionally, we will soon be making another announcement with respect to the new county commanders within this month. Now, these officers will take full charge of police operations in the regions that I have mentioned, and we expect them to coordinate with the county commanders to ensure effective, efficient, and responsive delivery of policing services in the areas of operation.
Ihinda-ini uriu Boinnet ni ugite maobitha a borithi ni marikitie kwamukira marihi ma njoherera ma nyumba na amwe ni maambiriirie gucaria nyumba. Thiini wa mubango uyu thirikari itanyite gutigirira maobitha othe a borithi ni magia na nyumba njagiriru cia guikara.
All police officers who are paid their house allowances as approved by the SRC, and they got paid in the last month.
Yes. Kuona uria maundu maregariurania thiini wa thi, ruhonge ruru ni rutanyitwo kuruguria uhuthiri wa mitambo ya kiriu ari njira imwe ya kugacirithia mirutire ya aruo ya wira.
Thirdly, I will just want to inform that the journey towards full digitization of National Police Service systems, procedures and processes will be formally launched on the 7th of January 2019 at Kilifi County Commander's offices by the Cabinet Secretary for Interior and Coordination of National Government, Dr. Fred Matiang'i. We want to migrate from the old way of doing things that we still use as of now into a totally digital platforms.
Boinnet ni atitirithirie kuuga ati nguo njeru cia ruhonge ruru na irathondekwo ni ruhonge rwa mbeu njithi ni ruo NYS handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.